Topic po natin ay teeth and gums, sign and symptoms, toothache. The teeth are an extension of the bones and as such are governed by the kidneys, while the gums are under the influence of the stomach. More specifically, the gums of the upper jaw are under the influence of the large intestine and those of the lower jaw are under the influence of the stomach. The state of the teeth and gums, therefore, reflects the state of the kidneys, stomach, and large intestine. For example, tooth activity cavities and loss of teeth may reflect a kidney deficiency, and receding gums may reflect a stomach deficiency. Toothache. As a general rule, a full condition causes a toothache that is constant and intense, while an empty condition causes a toothache that comes and goes. Is a mild toothache that is worse in the evening and better in the morning points the yin deficiency, while one of that is better in the evening and worse in the morning indicates yang deficiency. As far as channels are concerned, the upper teeth are influenced by the large intestine channel and the lower ones by the stomach channel. Excluding internal invasion of wind, which causes an acute and temporary toothache, a toothache may be caused by stomach fire, heat in the spleen, and heart damp heat, wind cold in the brain, and stomach and spleen deficiency. Stomach fire is a common cause of toothache, in which cause toothache is accompanied by thirst, swollen cheeks, dry stools, mental restlessness, red tongue with a dry yellow coating in the center, and a rapid overflowing pulse. When stomach fire combines with the toxic heat, the toothache is very intense. There may be a fever and the tongue would have a thick, dry yellow coating and red points. This may correspond to a tooth abscess in Western medicine. Toothache also may be caused by heat in the spleen and heart, in which case there may be a bleeding gums, insomnia, and mental restlessness. Clinical note: in Chinese medicine, the teeth are related to kidneys and the gums to the stomach. However, there are teeth problems that are related to the condition of gums and therefore stomach. It would therefore be wrong to attribute this problem to kidneys. Examples of teeth problems due to condition of gums are toothache, sensitivity to cold or heat, and loose teeth. Damp heat in the stomach is also a frequent cause of toothache, which is usually accompanied by swelling of the gums. The relative importance of toothache and the gum swelling gives an indication of the prevalence of heat or dampness. If the gum swelling predominates over the toothache, dampness is predominant. If the toothache predominates over the gum swelling, heat is predominant. A severe toothache that extends to the head is due to wind cold in the brain and blood stasis. Stomach and spleen deficiency may cause a chronic intermittent dull toothache and receding gums. This may be due to excessive consumption of sour foods. Other teeth symptoms include loose teeth and grinding teeth, and other gum symptoms include inflamed gums, bleeding gums, and receding gums. So our summary: toothache, invasion of external wind, acute toothache with headache and aversion to cold. If stomach fire, intense toothache, thirst, swollen cheeks, red tongue. Toxic heat, very intense toothache, very swollen cheeks, fever, red tongue with red points. Spleen and heart heat, toothache, bleeding gums, insomnia. Damp heat in the stomach. Toothache with swelling of the gums and sticky taste. Wind cold in the brain. With blood stasis. Severe toothache extending to the head. Stomach and spleen chi deficiency. Chronic dull toothache with receding gums. Thank you po for your attention.